Let us start designing part 3, that is nut. Here we have both side view and top view of the nut. The material used here is gunmetal. Click on sketch, select front view, draw a rough profile of nut. In this drawing we are not making the inner segment, instead we are making a complete segment. Why that part I will tell later. So measure from one edge to other end is 50 and outermost edge is 90. Dimension that using smart dimension. Click on smart dimension. Half of 50 will be 25. And from here to here, half of 90, that is 45. Here 10 mm, 10 mm and the total height is 45 mm. Here we can see that the edges are curved, so select circle, that is select tangent circle, or else a circle measure will be taken from the center. So select tangent circle and draw the circle inside. Now remove the unnecessary lines. Measure here 10 mm. Now we are done with the profile. Click on return. Go to revolve protrusion. Select profile. OK. Select axis. Enter 360 degree. Finish. Now we have to produce the hole with the 38 mm dia with the 7 mm thread. So go to hole, click on the plane where we have to produce hole, surface. Now go to hole table, type threaded. Hole dia is 38 into 7, that is threaded 38 into 7. Search for that. Here we have TR 38 into 7. Select. Here we see that hole is throughout. So select to hole extent. OK. Now bring that circle to the center. Then click. Then go and click on return. Drag it down. So we have a hole made. Finish. Tools, material table. Material used here is gunmetal. Go to File, File Properties, Summary, Nut. Then go to Project, document number 3, project name Nut. OK. File, save as, Part 3. Save. Then open new file. Thank you.